Atma Sakshatkar experience. Padapranams, my beloved Sri Amma and my supreme friend Sri Bhagavan. I am a translator of two languages for Ekatvam. Last year, the Lord used to post devotees' experiences in Telegram. I used to translate those experiences too. One fine day, suddenly those experiences had appeared in my heart and something flashed within me and I was shocked. Oh God, the Lord had given me these days almost 2 years ago, but I was not at all aware of it. Then I started looking within me. The Lord had transformed me like this. Earlier, I used to judge people. Now, all those judgments have ceased automatically. I used to think, why do people behave like this? But now this question has just vanished. I naturally feel strong connection with everyone. I can easily understand without judgment as to why the other person is behaving like this. Thus, I feel very light and very happy. This happiness is indescribable. Thoughts have almost ceased. If at all some random thoughts arise, I am able to witness those thoughts without getting involved. Past memories, incidents, or hurts are not disturbing me. The Lord has erased my painful memories. Few are there, but without any charge. There is no inner dialogue, no tension, no fear, no doubts, no anxiety, no carryover, no complaints, no regrets. Relationships are not causing hurts, so there is no anger or suffering. My existence is not there, so there is no self. Complete silence is there. If problem comes, I do practically whatever I can and rest, leave it to Lord, as I know my Lord and Amma will take care of everything. Hence surrender has become automatic. I am living in present and flowing with life comfortably. Life is very simple now. My Antrayami Bhagwan is very powerful. Lord reveals to me many mystical explanations without asking, and I am amazed. Just a month ago, the Lord had done the greatest transformation in my core relationship. This time also, I didn't understand what had actually happened. 1 week later, Lord revealed to me and I'm stunned. After that, I'm feeling completeness in my Mukti experience. Amma Bhagwan have taken over my life completely. After becoming aware of my new life, suddenly one day, I remember Lord's personal darshan I had around 2 years ago. During darshan, the Lord said, very soon it will happen for you. Lord was telling me about my Mukti. I had completely forgotten Lord's words, and remembering this filled my eyes with tears of gratitude. How can I thank you, Sri Amma Bhagwan, for everything? Forever at your lotus feet, Vidya Rao, Bangalore.